the whole this thing in CRPC, how to police officer has to search the place. So this topic is chapter 7 of Code of Criminal Procedure, and from section 91 to 98 it is comprises. So chapter 7, we remember how to search. So what for searching under section? Search warrant kindly may be issued by the magistrate for production of documents or things. The search warrant can be issued by the magistrate only, and procedure for letter and telegram, that is also available. Now you see the telegram and procedure for search also through telegraphic messages received by the police authorities. They have to get the permission to search from where it comes and for where it has gone. That is also the search place. If you want to identify, the search warrant must be available from the jurisdictional magistrate. The search warrant going to be issued under section 93. Search warrant, fully every particular should be available. This is the place, and this place is available in the within the jurisdiction of the person, and those police authorities shall give protection for him to search. So therefore, the exact place, name, house, number, everything should be appeared in the search warrant. And search place of the suspected of stolen properties. Of stolen property, he may be kept. So therefore, if you want to search the such and such vicinity of the place, so you must get the search warrant from the magistrate wherever the stolen property or document is available. He is believed that these documents are available based on the statement of the accused or based on the credible information they may got, and immediately they can apply for search. And power to declare the publication for facilitate to the search warrant. And this fact, because even though such and such place is not available, and they can avail the benefit of publication in the newspaper or some places, so that publication can be made for they want to search, and therefore search warrant shall be issued by way of publication also. It can be issued on the request of the investigation officer. One is most important section is concerned, if the search warrant issued, to whom should you go to defend that to search warrant? If my house they want to search, I have to immediately move the matter only before the High Court, only to set aside the search warrant, only High Court. That is under section 96 of the CRPC. So therefore, search warrant may be issued by the magistrate, but questioning only before the High Court under the provision of section 96. Now, most important section throughout your career, you must be aware that this particular section is concerned 97. 97, what it says, if the person is wrongfully confined, you see, so many examples are available. Husband confined his wife without showing her face to the parents of her. So therefore, the search warrant can be issued in favor of the parents of the wife of a so-and-so husband. He is restraining illegally. That is also one type of search warrant can be issued. That is person, either woman or the person or the man. So search warrant can be issued under the provision of section 97. And even at family court, we are making an application because saying that my daughters are illegally detained by him, my husband. So therefore, kindly maybe issue search warrant because I have not seen the faces of the son. So that is also search warrant for relating to the wrongfully restrain the person, wrongfully detain the person. So that is also available under Article 21 of Constitution of India. So illegal detention is also because his rights has been curtailed and wrongfully he has been restrained and keep in his custody. That is also. And always I used to, when I have started my practice, I used to file this application before the jurisdictional magistrate. Sir, since 3 days he was arrested. Based on the affidavit, you have to collect because the mother is the right person and brother right person or parents right person. You have to get his affidavit. My son has been taken on such and such date, but still they don't want to produce before the court within 24 hours. They are liable to produce as per the section 57 I have read morning. So therefore, under this section, I have several police station. I have issued the search warrant. Immediately, what they are going, if the search warrant issued from this court, they are going to shift to other police station, and they are showing that no such person is available in our custody or in the restroom or everything. They are going to say that definitely we are going to empty hand. So that advantage we have taken. Where that advantage we have taken when immediately they are going to produce very next day, because the other police people only for the help purpose search warrant is coming, they are shifting to other police station, and very next time tomorrow they should not bring again such warrant to that police station because they have kept in that police station. Immediately they are going to register a case, small petty case or small gambling case or any case. They are going to book, we are not registered, this is the thing has happened, and immediately they are going to produce. So therefore you have to be aware that such warrant, if it is issued, you have to request the judge without information to any police authority. Kindly maybe issue such warrant, sir. The advocate can accompany the complainant and go to the police station. Based on the search warrant, you can search. Or otherwise, you can seek the direction of their higher authorities, deputy commissioner or anybody else. Immediately you take assistance of the higher authorities. So likewise, you have to mention the such and such date he has taken in their illegal detention is there, kindly make me. So this is also possible for you to get your person should be produced before the court or should be set at liberty. Because another provision is available for you, habeas corpus before the habeas corpus means body, either dead or alive. He shall be produced before the court. So that is under article, it is available 226, habeas corpus warrant can be issued, immediately produced before the court, either dead body or the corpus or the body of the person before the high court. That is, high court is having 2 judges, the division bench going to issue the such warrant as habeas corpus. So therefore, section 97 is search warrant. If it is not possible for you to take because made known to the police, so therefore I want to file habeas corpus. Habeas corpus you can file. And nowadays what it happened, I have come across several habeas corpus petition. Now you are providing mobile, he was in the custody of the police, and you must mention the date and get the photograph. Sir, such and such date he was arrested, but the police people are not showing or not leaving him with set at liberty. That photograph is also available for you to place before the court. So habeas corpus or search warrant, it made use for the your gaining the sympathy of your client, and also good practice going to be done before the magistrate or before the high court. So therefore, you have to avail that benefit also. Next, power to compel restoration of female children. Female children, always restoration, because under the IF law, in any Hindu law or anything, custody of the female child is concerned, always should be with her parents or especially mother. So therefore, if forcibly female child is restrained, immediately take action for such warrant by causing under section 98. These are the provision of search warrant, how to be issued. And these are the provision under chapter 7, section 91 to 98. This is the very good provision for practice of criminal side advocate for habeas corpus and everything. So therefore, be aware that make use of these provision and do your practice. So is there any question for you?
Sir, what is the waiting time, sir? If I'm going for
Sir, not
request.
only waiting time is within 24 hours if they have shown the arrest. If they have not shown the arrest, so you are having power, sir, being advocate, immediately you can file a complaint before the higher authorities saying that, sir, since the arrest has been shown 13 hours, sir, till today he has not brought before the court. You have to take advantage against him, against the station house officer who has done all this.
Okay, sir.
Because section 57 is very clear for you. Arrest person shall be produced before the court within 24 hours before the
Okay, sir.
jurisdictional magistrate.
Thank you, sir. Okay.
Welcome, sir. Search warrant means gold articles, everything, documents. You have to cause as per the provision. Section 97 is concerned corpus, person, female. 98 is female. So therefore, you have to take advantage of those things. Yes, sir.
Sir, it can be done for pet animal also, sir? Pet animals?
No. Not, I think, yes, animal also you can take. Because you have to give complaint, not only before the police. Animal husbandry, you have to give.
Okay, sir. Because people are searching for their missing pets
Yes,
also.
yes. You have to take advantage of filing a complaint before. First, you have to file before the animal husbandry. That is veterinary doctor or any nearest available in the animal husbandry director. You have to file first complaint, then police. 2 complaint you have to bring.
Okay, sir.
Sir, in case any person has been arrested and detained, and he has been harassment has been done from the police officer or something like that. So, what remedy can be done?
Only available remedy, sir, arrested person shall depose before the court. Sir, I was taken on such and such date. I was mercilessly beaten and I was detained in their custody because of I am having serious ailment, and till treatment given by the authorities, and based on the treatment I have brought before the court. This fact he must say before the court, and immediately the judge is going to refer that person to get the medical examination when the injury was sustained by him. That is the law. Immediately for us, you noted both, you have seen, might have seen, immediately the judge going to ask whether police have made any harassment to you while you are in custody. This question always put him by the magistrate while producing him before the court. If he has not stated.
And as a victim from them, can we file a case against them?
Definitely, sir. Criminal case, that is 323, 324, harassment, illegal detention, all this section. But you should get permission against that particular person, because sub-inspector may be there, constable may be there, higher authority permission is required for you against disciplinary authority, and home department copy should be sent. Sir, these persons are illegally detained and they have harassed, and I am having the medical certificate, and he has been treated from the central jail medical authorities. So these are the medical available. You can straight away, you can file case against those persons, and immediately the magistrate going to take action. In one case, example I want to give you, because I have seen how they have arrested. One example. In the year 1984, 85, I think, I have started my practice in criminal side, 85, I think. At Rajaj Nagar, one Sangram Singh and Deen Dayal. Sangram Singh was a circle inspector, and Deen Dayal is the sub-inspector. I have made allegation against them for chain snatching case. He has been arrested. And he is innocent for the allegation. They could not able to uh, give any information because no such chain snatching he has done. But he is a poor fellow. He has committed small offenses. That is theft of railway articles or something. So therefore, they have taken him third degree method, aeroplane hattastin nodon. I had been to the police station. Mr. Nayak, please cooperate one day. I'll get the information about chain snatching. So I have visited twice, but they have not obeyed my request. So therefore, what I have did in those days, Honorable Justice of Mallimat, who is Chief Justice of our High Court. So immediately both persons brought before the court. How many days you have kept? Sir, we have not kept, we have nothing. So whether he has committed any offense. Sir, we have gathered the information at Hindupur police station, they have arrested him. And immediately I have produced the victim person before the Honorable High Court, because at Hindupur police station, what they have did, they have not produced before the railway magistrate court, but produced before the other court. They immediately he has been released on bail, and he has come over. Hey, naale in case ide ba High Court ge ಒಳ್ಳೆ relief ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. Then immediately I have produced him. He has given statement against both of them. Sangram Singh, you know, recently he has retired as a SP, and he is appearing in the media. And Deen Dayal was a deputy. He is also ACP and retired as a some grade, who is now practicing Deen Dayal, because practicing is an advocate now. So we are discussing about those days, how it has been happened. So likewise, in those days, habeas corpus means serious action will be taken against the police authorities. So I have did this affidavit I have filed. I have seen, sir, he was in custody, because I, being an advocate, engaged through his sister. Therefore, I went to the police station. I have seen he was in the custody of the police authority. Court believed and immediately called them, and they have stated warning has been issued, censure notice has been issued to them. In future, you should not continue, because my client is not ready and willing to take serious action against them. So likewise, examples are, several examples are there.
Okay, sir. Sir, one more thing, sir. I have told that atrocity against the SC, right? If there is anything false allegation made and it is SP also directed to arrest or something would have happened, and finally we got to know there is no evidence, or but intentionally if they do, what is the remedy for the other person actually? How we can get out?
Sir, only you have to make use of the state as a party, and commission who has rendered the service because authority, the special deputy, the investigation officer, you have to take advantage against them, sir.
So in the case you were telling, sir, the normal constable, they can't arrest it in these cases, right? It has to get the
No, everybody can arrest, but investigation shall be done only by deputy superintendent of police, that is assistant commissioner of police in city. Yes.
Okay, sir.
So today's topic, I think you understood. And any example, if you want, you come, and any petition which I have filed, if it is available, you get, or otherwise, if you want to draft, definitely I'll give the draft relating to this matter is concerned, because I have practiced more than 8 years in that criminal side, because I know that all these facts, and subsequently I shifted civil side, and the civil side also I am practicing, and with my helpful colleagues who are available in my office, they are also doing well. You please come and collect if any documents are required for you. Are pleading.
Sir, one question related to advocate, sir.
Hmm.
If advocate is going for the client for police station search,
Yes.
so police treat the advocate respectfully, or they give the resistance, not allowing something?
Sir, nowadays no problem. In those days, they are not respected, sir. Nowadays, what happens, sir? Now, in every police station, there is a CC camera. Immediately available for investigation if we have made any allegation against them. So therefore, you need not worry at all. They are going to give respect to advocate nowadays, no problem at all.
So we can go with the client to police station, sir, for
Yes,
this?
yes, sir.
Okay,
Because
sir.
complaint, if you want to lodge, definitely you must go. Because he is
Especially
paying.
for the search, especially for the search case, sir.
Search without warrant, you should not go, sir. Without getting search warrant under section this 97, you should not go there, sir.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Very
This is
good.
one, yeah, sir, last, I think, will be the last question. Sir, actually, I just want to know, you told about third degree treatment by the police. So
Hmm.
is there any specific offenses which has been mentioned, which allows the police to go for this treatment, sir?
Only recovery purpose, madam, harassing. The gold articles or recovery knife or something. For these offenses, they are going to use third degree because no accused is going to admit I am having those articles or things. So these type of offenses, they are going to use harassment. Because it is my knowledge, it is in my knowledge.
Okay,
But
sir.
that-
Thank you, sir.
sir-
Thank you.
Sir, but that is not permissible under Human Rights Commission.
Sir, always, sir, it is no such harassment is available under the provision of Act. Because within 24 hours, she shall be produced and going to bring back after still I want to investigate the matter because kindly maybe hand over police custody. Yes, they are going to provide 10 days or 20 days for a further investigation. Definitely, they are in the custody of police only.
Sir, about the search warrant,
Yes.
the international criminals, suppose our criminals is
Sir, international criminal is concerned embassy. Only through their embassy is available at Delhi. Through embassy only they have to get the person for seizure or for getting a habeas corpus. In one case, I have did the same thing. From Saudi Arabia, I have brought one person. Through embassy only, it is going to be deal.
no, because the search warrant is given by the local courts. Our
Sir, even local court given that search warrant shall be implemented only through the embassy.
Mhm.
Hmm.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
Yes. Sir, this is Bindu. I just wanted to find out, would you be doing some lecture on the need for alternate dispute resolution? Because that's the need of the hour. We're looking for something which will help us.
With which resolution, madam?
Alternative dispute resolution or the ADRS subject. If you could do one lecture on that, it would be awesome for us, sir. That
Please.
and professional ethics.
I'll do that, madam. Resolution is always importance in two cases, madam. Just I want to tell you. Just remember your thing. The resolution should be passed by the association going to file a criminal or civil cases against the member or any person are going to approach to the court. They have to pass a resolution and permission shall be granted to represent the association one person, either secretary or president or any director or any member. That in resolution, the particulars of the person should be mentioned. we have permitted so and so cause. This purpose we are appointing a person, that is company and association, society, those which are registered under the provision of cooperative society or Karnataka Societies Registration Act or Companies Act or Factories Act. Those who are having their own bylaws, they have to pass the resolution permitting to file a case, either criminal or civil. So that resolution, if it is not available, two judgments are there against particular manner. I am having, if you want to contact me over telephone, I will provide those judgments.
Sure, sir. Definitely.
Sir,
Thank you so much.
sir, Bindu is asking, I think, alternative dispute resolution, sir. That is arbitration.
Sir, arbitration dispute means you have to seek for permission from the High Court company if it is available, or in agreement if it is mentioned. Because I am also dealing everyday arbitration cases, it must be filed, company must be filed before the court to permit us to file a arbitration case, so and so clause referred under. Company always to approach before the court to get permission and going to refer to the arbitration conciliation proceeding. That is the separate act is available. And in our state, especially at Kanija Bhavana, the arbitration center is available. There are retired High Court judges, retired district judges are nominated as an arbitrator. So it is available, sir.
No, that's why the how it is going to do all these activities. Bindu is asking like that.
Sir, every
least
day,
you take one class.
sir, every day I am attending every cases, sir, before arbitration center. Because what happened in one case, company has filed a case before the High Court. Notice has been caused. There is an arbitration clause. I want to refer before the arbitration. So automatically there is immediately referring before the arbitration, permitting him to file detailed case pleading. The plaint which I have given information, the same procedure is available and going to place before the court. But what the arbitration award has been passed, it is appealable before the district court.
No, available only for the against somebody the case in against.
So
they're going to
always,
appeal
sir, definitely, if against, if he is not satisfied the award passed by the learned judge, so arbitrator, automatically appeal is available for you.
No, in the 1990 Act, arbitration act
Oh.
1996, sir. But
Uh,
in that act, only judges only to refer the documents. That's all.
Yes, sir, strictly evidence should not be followed in that arbitration cases, except they have to say that, is there any clause for arbitration between you? So going to settle the matter, why you are going to dispute? That is nothing but conciliation proceedings, sir, arbitration. But if award is passed based on the evidence, it is executable one. But when executable one and it is recognizable award, you should go before, if you want to dispute those award, only before the district court, you have to file a appeal, arbitration appeal.
No, in appeal also, judge only refer the documentation.
No documents in the appeal, sir. Whatever document you have placed before the arbitration, if you are denying the allegation and averments made in the arbitration petition, and those arbitration petition, automatically you have to go before only the appeal. But in appeal, there is no permission to produce additional document or anything. Is there
Yeah.
any irregularity? Is there
That's all,
any
sir.
irregularity
Correct, sir,
conducted?
correct, sir. Exactly.
Right.
Correct,
Sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Sir, one question, sir. This is something like example I will tell you. See, some murder or culpable homicide would have happened, and the accused has been arrested also, and the whatever the suffered person is there, right? His family will be there, and but the investigation will not happen as per the. If they will get some bribe, police officers or someone, and the investigation is towards the negative side. If it is happening, means how the family members can make sure that it is investigation is in the right path, because the what it happens when it comes, they that will be handled by the criminal case will be handled by the again court, the government,
Sir,
right?
Sir,
So-
yesterday only I have dealt this such matter, the same matter before
Okay.
High Court, sir, and 3 days back. What it happened in this case? The daughter died by commission of in love affairs. She died. The police authorities, she has committed for her own. There is no any evidence available. So therefore they have submitted B report. Now what is the next she has to do, complainant? Only that B report should be challenged before the court based on the detailed complaint. Simple letter, it is not required. Detailed complaint you should file before the B report to which court they have submitted. B report should be by way of protest memo. You have to question the B report, sir. And this is
Who will
one
question,
method.
sir? We have to keep a lawyer, advocate, or because that case will be handled by the government public prosecutor.
Sir,
right?
no problem, sir. Every acquittal case we are going to challenge before the court. In murder case acquitted, and a complainant has filed a case before the honorable court and prosecution department. That is, government is not filed any appeal against the acquittal. The complainant can file before the court where the irregularity was took place by the learned jurisdictional judge. You have to take advantage filing appeal before the High Court.
So we can also, as a victim, we can also get it.
Oh, definitely, sir. Definitely. Complainant can file his independent right before acquittal or non-submission of B report. Every right you have got.
Okay, sir.
Any question? Today's topic or any other questions? I'm ready to answer for that.
Sir, last question, that in same instance, can we ask to change the investigation officer if they are not doing the proper things?
This is only you have to make an application before the Home Department, Secretary to Home Department.
Okay. Okay, thank
And
you, sir.
even there is a provision, if you are not interested, because the public prosecutor who is engaged by the government on behalf of complainant, that charge sheet has been filed. So you have also having right to appoint on your own expenses through the prosecution department. I need not your help. I need not want to, because he is not cooperating, he is not taking proper defense on behalf of the government. Therefore, kindly maybe permit us to engage special prosecutor with the cost of the complainant. It is also provision is available, and they are going to give permission for appointing a special prosecutor, and his services charges going to be payable by the so and so by leaving the regular prosecutor who has appointed from the government, and they are not coming in the way.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Got it.
Is there any question, sir? Yes, Harish.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Shall I conclude, sir?
Yes, sir, please, sir.
Thank you very much. Please do your practice very well. And these are the provision is available for you during examination. You should write in a proper manner. You go through the provision, each section, and any doubt arises, you ask us, and we are going to provide explanation about all these things. You please contact us. And next very good subject I want to take next week. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Wonderful
Thank you,
session.
sir. Vice. Thank you, sir.
Sir, wonderful session, sir.
Right, I will take no problem. I am always happy, sir.
It is wonderful opportunity, sir. Nobody
Right.
will get like this opportunity, we know, sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Today's ladies are not properly participate, I think so. They have availed all these things. Eh? Thank you.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.
Shankar.